can see me boss the show. HR back up live. I know what day. Live. I know what day. Mami, who is saying? We am show. We am show. Ready? I said, are you an answer so proud? Oh, I say, yeah, which is so yeah. So
what as you are jealous and you know
we am show. Wa come on shall be so down. Internet watch na be. They say anet here.
Baba my phone no phone here I am down. Oh yeah then.
Ha Sam. We am show. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Oh wow, it's very nice. It's very nice. I know a thing. Yeah, life. This CEO OBI roofing system. Let us see Engineer Afram. Thank you for recording me here. Live at Potoso. It's just down drive from Tafo, almost like 150 or 150. I didn't read the kilometer. I'll cross check from them exact around my turn and then give you the exact location. But it's not far. Let's say like 30 minutes drive. So here, as you can see from here, fishing go on here. So there are a lot of boats that has been displayed here. A lot of boats. And here all is showcasing a market view. Yeah, this is the market view of the whole community. The whole community is the market view. When the rain float up much, when there is rain season, it overloads this side. Whereby some of the houses, every corner was being flat, right? So Solo, come and talk more. How do you see Kotoso? Hey, how do you see Kotoso? Talk. Speak English.
How? As you speak English?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, you know. I'm excited. Yes, they go for fishing. Yeah. You can see there is boats here.